what that story is about, right? Did I hear you say Daniel? Yes, Daniel, the story of Daniel. So our activity today is on the story of Daniel. Okay, so now, can you remember what happened? Yes, the king signed a law and said nobody should pray in the land. I'm sure you do know that Daniel was a faithful servant of God. So he prayed to God. And we do know what happened, right? Yes, he was thrown in the lion's den. But did the lion bite him? Did they kill him? No! Our God is a faithful God. He is ever faithful, always faithful. So he saved Daniel from the lion. So our activity today is on how to create a paper plate lion. So we are going to be making palm print mains and paper plates lion's face. So are you eager to create? Yes, I am sure eager. You are eager too. My name is Opeyemi Richardson-Owebo and you're welcome to Blue Bloom's Artwork channel. In this world, we learn everything about art and you sure do know we have content for everybody. Today's session is on Bible activities and are you ready to create? Yes, let's go! The king signed the law. Let's begin. So we have 14 inches by 14 inches card. We have paper plates, medium size markers. We have pencil. We have channel wire, yes, for whiskers. We have the scissors. We have wiggly eyes. Yeah, wiggly eyes today. Yes, we have Yayyyyyyy gum. We have wax crayons. Yes, my beautiful bright wax crayons. A cup of water to drop water on the palm. That's to make our brown acrylic paint loose. Awesome. Big paint brush. Rag to clean our hands and we start. So we're starting with the handprint for the mane. That's the mane of the lion. Okay, so get your materials. Then we use the paper plates to draw a circle at the center of the square. So place it at the center and then draw the circle so that you're drawing the size of the circle of the paper plate. When you're done, that's good. So now it's time to make our handprints. So now shake your paint, shake your acrylic paint, and if you don't have acrylic paint, you can actually use poster colors. Just make sure that you mix your paint, you mix your colors so that it's loose enough for you to rub it on your palm. So now we drop our water, rub our hands, and when you're sure that you have paint all over your palm, it's time to print. Yes, so the first hand print, we want it to be light. We don't want it to be deep. So we make our hand print. Awesome. Now clean our hands. So clean up the ends, use the rag. Now it's time to make the dark tone of the hand print. So apply paint just the way we did the last time. Apply your paint on your palm, drop some water and rub your palm. Then you make your prints. Now you can see that this is dark, so we do that until we cover the whole thing, and it's time to make the lion's face. So you keep that aside to get dried. So now you focus on making the face. So now let's plan the face to know where to put the features. Definitely the eyes, the nose, the eyebrows, yes, the mouth. Okay, so we are using wiggly eyes for the eyes, and then we're going to be cutting out the nose, just like your cute teddy bear. They have this black nose. So just draw the shape of that nose. So it's just like you're writing W. So you write you draw like you're writing W and then you cut it out. Now position the features. You have the eyes, the nose cut out, and then draw the mouth. So you also do that W, curved line below it and another curved line. So now it's time to trace. So outline the drawing with marker. So you can see the W, the curved line, the straight line, and then a shorter curved line. So now add some other features to make it interesting, just like the curved line around the plate. Now it's time to glue the wiggly eyes and the nose. Remember, you positioned the features before you drew, so definitely just glue to those spots. So now we glue the eyes. And then after, you position the nose as well, just at the middle of that W form like. Now it's time to add some other features like the dot for the whiskers, the eyebrows, Awesome. So now let's complete the nose. Remember, the nose has to be round at the top, so you use a black marker to do that, and then just add some other effects. Now it's time to color. Yes, so we definitely are using color brown. So now we color around our plates. Now for the face, now don't forget it should be rough because it's a lion. Yes, so make it rough, don't make it smooth. So now after coloring, now color the tongue. Now create light and shade to make it look real. So you can see the upper part of the tongue is deeper than the lower part. So do the same for the face, around the eyebrows, around the nose part, the mouth, around the face itself. That's the curved part. Awesome. So now let's make the whiskers. Now those are churning wires. Now you bend your churning wires and cut the length you want your whiskers to be. So you're going to be needing 3 on one side, 3 on the other. Apply glue on the spot and then glue your whiskers. Awesome! Such cute whiskers, right? Yes. So now it's time to glue the face to the mane. Okay, so our mane is dry. So you can see how beautiful the prints are, right? Yes! So now apply glue around the back of the face, just at the tip. So apply the glue, leave to let it dry a bit. Remember, dry a bit and then glue. Now when you're gluing, press at the tip gently, not at the center, but place the paper plate at the center of the card. That's the mane. Now it's time to create a beautiful background for our lion. Now you can decide to cut out following the print, that's the mane, or just create a beautiful background for your lion. Is it a cave background like gray, or what we have here is the lion within the grass and the sun shining behind it? Wow, awesome, so beautiful. So now you can see how our lion is ready. Looking at Daniel, I'm like, whoa, who are you? Where are you from? Awesome, beautiful one. Yes, that was awesome, right? Yes, awesome. So we learned a lot, right? Yes. So we learned how to apply paint on our palm, rub it on the other one, and then make beautiful prints to create the lion's mane. Remember that nursery rhyme? A lion, a lion. A lion has a tail. It has a big head and a very small waist. So now we used our palm print to create the big mane of the lion, and then we used the paper plates to create its face. Remember, we used the channel wire to create the whiskers. You sure can see the whiskers, right? Yes, awesome. So we created the whiskers. We used wiggly eye to create the eye. We've also learned how to color a paper plate turned upside down. Okay, that was an interesting craft activity, right? Sure, we are going to make ours today. Just try your hands on it. It's sure going to be fun. And don't forget to try out the song we sang at the beginning of the session. If you've been enjoying my content, please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. It goes a long way. It goes a long way. Thank you so very much. So before I go, what do you find interesting the most in this activity? Is it gluing up the stickers? Is it the wiggly eyes? Is it the paint printing? Or the background coloring? Let me know know what you find interesting in this activity in the comments section. Okay, the king sign